Hey word workers, welcome to WordWork for another lesson on base words. In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. Let's get started exploring the exciting world of base words. The base word in this video is under. Here are some words related to the base word. Underclothes, undercook, undercurrent, underemployed, underhand, underlying, underpaid, underpriced, underrate, undersell, undersigned, undersold, understanding, understood, undertaker, undertone. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. My son is under the table with his toys. Remember to wear light-colored underclothes. If you undercook chicken, it can make you sick. There was an undercurrent of anxiety in the room. Many people are currently underemployed and looking for work. The player hit the ball with an underhand swing. The underlying cause of the problem is lack of communication. The workers felt that they were underpaid for their hard work. The dress was underpriced, so I bought it. Don't underrate your ability to achieve great things. Some salespersons undersell their products to attract more customers. The document was signed by the undersigned persons. The product was undersold, resulting in a loss for the company. We have an understanding that we will share babysitting duties. I explained the instructions and they nodded as though they understood. The undertaker arranged the funeral service for the family. There was an undertone of sadness in her voice. Now let's review. Under, underclothes, undercook, undercurrent, underemployed, underhand, underlying, underpaid, underpriced, underrate, undersell, undersigned, undersold, understanding, understood, undertaker, undertone. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.